Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio spectrum to make a music video using InShot. So if you want to turn your videos or photos into a music video, you can easily add music and also the audio spectrum to your video. So here I'm going to use InShot to do that, and let's just launch the InShot app first. So after you launch the InShot app, you can just tap on the video in here and click on new. Next, just choose the video or photos that you want for the background. Here I'm going to use this videos right here. Click on a check icon. So after you open the video here, let's just add the song first. So you can click on audio in here, music. And then here I'm going to go to my music to use music on my library. So here I'm going to use this one. For example, you can tap on use. Here just click on a check icon, and now let's add the audio spectrum. So you can just swipe through the menu at the top and go to the PIP to add overlay. Here go to the material. Here find the atmosphere, and now you can just scroll down until you find the audio spectrum overlay. Let's just find it in here. Okay, so there are two options that you can choose. I'm going to add this ones right here, so you can click on it. Here choose the blending that you want. I'm going to go with color dodge, and I think you can click on a check icon and adjust the size and put the position to anywhere you like. I'm going to put it in the bottom right here. Click on a check icon and you can see the result in here. If you want to, you can also add lyrics to the video. Okay, if you want to adjust the audio spectrum again, you can just click on the PIP again in here, click on the overlay here and adjust the position maybe or the size. To make it more dramatic, you can also add filter to your videos. For example, I'm going to go with this vintage. Click on the check icon and this is it. And so that's all for me. That's how you can add audio spectrum to make a music video using InShot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye!